Yeah, I'm just messing with this. Actually, I'm gonna go up this way just for the heck of it now. I got an itch though, right? Between my shoulder blades. I hate that. Could have made that one pretty easily. Going through the neighborhood. Don't know which one it is, but it's a neighborhood. I'm just putt-putting around, enjoying the sunshine, testing out my new jacket, which I'm really actually enjoying. I was hesitant, not because I don't trust AlpineStars quality in general or anything like that. I'm actually a fan of AlpineStars. That's why I continue buying gloves and boots and jackets and pants and that type of stuff. I just wasn't sure. You know, my first textile ADV type jacket. Wasn't sure what to expect from it, but it is very, very comfortable. Yeah, go down this way for a little ways. Now I really threw it for a loop because I actually obeyed a command. Because I think this might end. I'm not sure. Because that was D Street, so there should be Market coming up here somewhere. I think it does end right there. Does it or does it not? I'm gonna go this way. Oh, nope. Go first. There's a little bit of a, even that half-inch taller that this boot is than my AlpineStar boots. Makes a huge difference in confidence when you're coming up to a stop. This isn't a one-way. Doesn't appear to be. Now we've got to check left and right when you come. Oh, it is a dead end here though. So I'll go this way. Oh no, it's a dead end there too. Remember, folks, use gravity whenever possible on a heavy bike. Your little, oh gee, try not to drop everything. Yeah, this thing is a lot easier as far as when you start getting that bit of a tip over with the 600-pound CX-14R, and even though it was low, you reach that point of no return pretty quick. Whereas this one, I've noticed, I can go far enough out on this where I don't think I'm going to have too much of an issue with not, you know, with dropping it. Because I am tenacious about giving her everything I got to not let it fall. And if anything, what I do is I just, you know, slow motion set it down on the ground. Okay. Where are you going? Okay, what are we at here? Yeah, Capital. Alright. I believe Capital turns into Portland Road, I believe. I believe. There's Market Street. Market Street. Oh yeah. So anyways, as I was saying, that extra little bit of, even I think it's about half-inch taller than my AlpineStar boots. Even that half-inch has made a big difference on my confidence on putting my foot down where it needs to be put down. So I'm hoping that when I get the Enduro Dry Star boots, Tech 7, if they have them, whatever version, that I'm hoping they're about, you know, same extra bit of height. I'm surprised that more bike manufacturers don't just put on that extra thick lug sole, you know, give you like 3/4 of an inch lift or up to an inch, so you don't stress out your ankles, but it gives you that extra inch, you know, when you're trying to hit the ground with your feet. Okay. And getting used to the slow speed characteristics of the bike here as well. Got a ways to go. Make sure not riding around with the turn signals on or something stupid. He'll be on my motovlog. Oh, here we go. Here's some tunnel goodness for you all the way through. Here we go. Yeah, that's what you call a tunnel feature. That's one of the motorcycle's dream tunnel. Unless you got a quiet pipe, that doesn't matter as much. You can still get it to, you know, do its thing, but not the same as having a bike with a good pipe. And I'm surprised and very happy also that Honda went with whatever magic they did with a pipe on this bike. Maybe heavy, but man, it sounds so good. Oh, cow. Statue cow. Okay, am I on, yeah, I'm on Portland Road, 3400, we're getting close. It's on the right hand side. Looking for cycle country. 3747, 3767, 3647, 3674. Run me over, don't run me down, don't run me over, I'm just trying to get across town. Keep an eyeball out for cycle country. Cycle country. Wait a minute. A lot more riders around up here. I am wondering though, still got a ways to go. It's like, I told you, it's like way, way north. I-5 here. Still showing on this road here on the Google map. Maybe it's mad at me now and it's gonna send me up to Portland actually. I don't see it anywhere nearby, but it's got to be getting close because we're running out of road here pretty soon. Pretty soon here. So I'm gonna, if I don't see it up in this business park, I'm gonna pull over and double check the map itself and see where it says it's supposed to be, because this is like yeah, the edge of town for Kaiser, north edge of town. Western Harbor Business Center. Hey, I'm trying to, sorry guy. Not that I wasn't trying to wave, I'm trying to find cycle country before I have to go out of town. Honda, Suzuki, Polaris. You know what? I'm gonna come back around here. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. All right. I know you're beeping at me because you want to beep. people laid it out on you. Okay, well, I'm going to turn everything off here, and everything should be hunky-dory momentarily. Later.